Hi friends. So today I'm back with another topic of sets, and we have this is an important one and the last topic which we need to cover in sets. So that is to find the number of elements in a set. So number of elements in the set. So this is, if I'll take the example again. So like I did last time, let's set A have a set of letters A, I and O, and there'll be another set B, and let it have some other elements like E and I. Okay, so to find the number of elements in a set, the symbol and the denotation for this is n of set A. So this n is nothing but it's asking for the number of elements in set A. So number of elements in set A are 1, 2 and 3. So you have number of elements will return a value 3 for set A. And for similarly for set B, the number of elements for set B is 2. Okay, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so there is an identity which you need to understand, which states that the number of A union B, okay, the number of elements of A union B is equal to number of elements of A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements of A intersection B. Okay, so this is a very interesting identity. Let's see if we can prove the LHS is equal to RHS. Let's see if we can prove this using the elements of the sets which we have chosen. Okay, so A union B, let's put it here. So I'll just separate out and I'll take a different color, red. Okay, so our LHS is number of elements of A union B. So A union B is joining at the elements of both the sets, that is A, I, O and E, right? So the number of elements of A union B is equal to 4. Right, we have got the LHS part. Now let's see the RHS part. So I will directly write down this number of elements in A. Number of elements in A is how much? How many? There are elements 3 plus number of elements in B is what? how many? 2 minus number of elements of A intersection B. So A intersection, when we say intersection, that means we have to get the number of elements which are common. So the common elements here are I, right? I is the common element. So the number of elements basically is 1, right? So that means 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So our LHS is 4, our RHS is 4. So this identity is proven right. Okay. So just remember, the number of elements of A union B is equal to number of elements of set A plus number of elements of set B minus the number of elements of A intersection B. So after this, we're going to do the exercises for each of the lessons and each of the topics that we have learned. So I will go according to like we covered last time, exercise 1.1. I'll now be covering exercise 1.2. And wherever I have mentioned a list of topics to be covered, just follow them accordingly, so that you would be in sync with what we are reading, and you would complete the entire chapter properly. Okay, and later on I'll add few test papers so that we could together solve them, and let's see if you could solve it yourself and put it in the comment section, and have a practice of your own with those tests. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like them, and then definitely ring the bell so that I could notify you on the new videos that come up. Take care. Bye.